What's the meaning of beluga? Beluga. Beluga.
Beluga. Beluga. The word beluga has several meanings depending on the context. One of these meanings refers to a species of white whale found mainly in Arctic and subarctic waters. Belugas are known for their distinctive white color, rounded forehead, and vocalizations that earned them the nickname sea canary. They are also known to be social animals and often form groups called pods. In culinary context, beluga can also refer to a type of caviar made from the eggs of the beluga sturgeon, a large species of fish found in the Caspian Sea. The high-quality caviar is often considered a luxury item and can be quite expensive.